Viewers and subscribers, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are in the best of spirit. Well, today I got another interesting video for you all. Trust me, I guarantee you guys are gonna enjoy this one, alright? What I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna be a caterpillar for a day. Yes, I'm gonna be a caterpillar for a day. I'm gonna be crawling and crawling and crawling and crawling and crawling like a caterpillar as far as I can go. It's gonna be a lot of fun, trust me, alright? Are you guys ready to see what's gonna happen? Here goes.
Lord Jesus, Justin, they come mad, you mad.
Ah man, you know, I just have a caterpillar for a day, so I don't know, I just crawl and go through here.
You good, though?
Yeah?
Alright, look come on, see?
Alright, go and get it.
So you know, caterpillar main source of food is tree leaves, right? Well, I'm playing the part. Thank you for viewing. Please remember to subscribe. See you later.